If you start watching automation tutorials, you generally notice the same pattern. You have to register and subscribe to a bunch of online services, then use another service to connect all of them, glue them together to get something that hopefully works, hoping that you don't exceed your tier limits or don't get throttled when you need it the most. I tried all of that and I threw it all away in the process of doing it. I journal on camera almost every day, and I wanted to feed those thoughts into Claude to give me feedback, to improve my self-awareness and help me with various tasks I want to do. It sounded simple, but as soon as I realized that I'm sending around gigabytes of data just to extract a few kilobytes of text, it didn't make sense to me. Piece by piece, I replaced each step with something that's free, that doesn't cost me money, and it doesn't require unnecessarily sending huge amounts of data. In the end, I was left with something where I just record a video on my phone, then it automatically syncs to my PC, where it takes the audio of my recording and graphics card transcribes it into a simple text file. Then the Claude automatically picks up that text file, analyzes it using a skill that already knows my voice and my goals, and sends the brief to Notion for me to read. It all takes just a few minutes, it's completely free, and it saves me half an hour of busy work of moving files around, copy-pasting text and stuff like that every time I needed to do this. My 3 takeaways from this automation is that what works for someone else may not be the right approach for you. It may be a good example to teach on YouTube. It may work on some organization, but maybe your station is completely different and you don't need that at all. My second takeaway is that from now on, I will always aim to use my local resources first before turning to the cloud services. There are now so many open source models and services and tools that you can run locally, saving up on those subscriptions and avoiding wasting resources and time. And my third takeaway is that you have to design your infrastructure around where your context lives. My Claude account knows about me, about my values, about my goals, about the way I want to work. And when I do all of this locally, it takes all of that into account, while if I was using make.com to use Claude API calls, it would forget all of that. I have to be honest and tell you that setting it all up locally wasn't as easy as it would have been by connecting some icons in make.com, but I learned a lot. It all now runs automatically for free and privately. And if you're interested in how exactly I did it, how it looks now, and just want to get step-by-step instructions how to do that, let me know in the comments and I'll create a follow-up video for that.